see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys we do again some offal because a lot of you ask for this stuff. It's super energy and give a lot, it's low calorie, low fat, and it's absolutely delicious. If you like, of course. Today I'm gonna show you the version we can cook this like roast in the oven. Easy and super tasty. We need a few ingredients, really simple. I'm gonna show you. We need, of course, ask your butcher. We have heart already is trimmed and clean, wash it before. We have a liver, we're gonna need some salt and pepper, olive oil, some vegetable. I'm gonna use spring onion, chili, if you like chili, you don't have to, some ginger, garlic, fresh rosemary, thyme and lemongrass. Just easy stuff. Now, what we're gonna do? We start, the oven is already, my oven is already on. First, the liver have this like membrane. If you don't know, just ask your butcher. But it's better you take it off. You know, like this, easy. If don't come by hands, just use the knife. Okay? Now we have two perfect clean. I just wash my hands. The oven you can put 200 degrees. We're gonna need 200 degrees. Gonna cook around 40 minutes later, maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna be more precise anyway. No. Now we take a bowl. We're gonna marinate a little bit. Season it, not marinate, season it a little bit. We add some salt, pepper, it's very easy, to be honest. Always when the stuff is very simple, always is the best. Third, other side, salt and pepper. We put some olive oil. Now, if you like the chili, you can put. If not, don't put it. I like it. Not too much. You're gonna have a very nice balance, but this chili is not too strong. Okie dokie, I think it's enough. We put it inside this. Garlic. We can cut enough this. Now we can use some garlic powder. I'm forgot about that, but I have to put it. Garlic. Use some garlic powder. It's a little bit stick on the bottom. Garlic powder. A little bit of ginger. I love this. This dish is absolutely delicious. Let's go a little bit. Not too small because we need just for flavor, okay? The lemongrass I chop off and just squeeze a little bit like this. Alright? Oh, the smell, guys, is absolutely wow, delicious. Okay, this we can put inside. Now, some rosemary, like this, just rough. Some thyme. Look mess now, but wait, we're gonna be super nice. Yes, some thyme here. And now, what we're gonna do, just mix everything. Yeah, in that oil. Massage very nice, as well with the heart. Oh, it's super nice. Now guys, I clean a little bit all this mess and I'm gonna show you the next step. But look at, beautiful, look at, fantastic. I cannot wait to try it, okay? See you soon. Now what we have, the tray for the oven is ready. I put some baking paper, oil on the bottom, that's thread. Okay, you can use the end if as well. Hey guys, always if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We need a lot of you. This channel needs a lot, and we try to improve all the time. Now, to my beautiful, it's very nice, to be honest. It's fantastic. Now we adjust in the tray with all this veggie, this rosemary and thyme and stuff like that. With all the rest we are here, we're gonna add on the ginger, even more rosemary, and this thyme left as well. Guys, you don't believe, but it's absolutely amazing. And the garlic left. Done. Now what we need? A little more olive oil. The oven is already on, and you know, it's fantastic. Now the oven is already on, and now we put it in the oven like that. It's around 180 to 200. I recommend 200, around 40-45 minutes, but I'm gonna be more precise later. Okay, see you later when everything is ready. We're gonna test it. Okay guys, the heart and liver is just take out from the oven now. Oh yeah, the smell, guys, is absolutely delicious. Now still very hot. The cooking time is half an hour and 180. Now we clean all the herbs, and I'm waiting to cool down a little bit because it's very hot. We're gonna try it, and that's it. It's done. Job done. It's absolutely, the smell is unbelievable. I cannot wait to try it. Okay, see you soon. Okay, it's time to try. Now, still. Whoa, now we see. Wow, oh yeah, look beautiful. I love this stuff. Wow. Even the liver is a little bit over. You can leave a little bit early, maybe 25 minutes. Fantastic. The heart, well, the heart is perfect. You see? Nice. Super juicy. Guys, it's absolutely wow. You know what you need? Maybe, I'm sorry, a little bit salt, and guys, it's absolutely delicious. Guys, what I want to say, my heart and liver cook in the oven, low calories, no fat, a little amount, is a lot energy, iron, is all benefit from here. Is this amazing dish? If you like, always finger up and follow us. Ciao!